Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cookie dough cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the edible cookie dough. So to do that, grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your brown butter with the light brown sugar and the golden caster sugar, and just mix these all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. It won't go completely light and fluffy, but it should come together and combine very well. Once it does, you can then go ahead and add in your milk and just mix in until it changes consistency, so it should become a little looser. This is what you're looking for. Once you've achieved that, you can then add in the icing sugar and just again mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You can't really overmix at this stage, so just mix until it's fully incorporated, or as incorporated as you can get it. Then add in your flour, which has been cooked in the oven, and your chocolate chips, and then just mix until a edible cookie dough forms. Then you're good to go until you need it at a later stage. To get started on the cake part of the recipe, you'll want to go ahead and grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your sugar and butter and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you're happy with the consistency that you've achieved, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs, one at a time, beating well in between each addition. Just repeat until you have no eggs left. Then add in your vanilla extract and just mix again until it's fully incorporated. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and add in your plain flour, raisin agent and your chocolate chips, and just fold them in until everything is fully combined and very well incorporated. Being careful not to over mix the mixture, as that is very easy to do. Once you've got a clear batter, you can take your cupcake tins, which have been lined with cases, and fill them 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, and repeat the process for the entire tray. Once you have them ready, you can then place into a preheated oven and bake them off. To make the buttercream, I'm using a French meringue. So simply grab a saucepan and place in your sugar and water, mix the two together until they're combined, then place on the hob and allow to reach 121 degrees Celsius. While you wait for that, grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your egg yolks and whole egg and whisk on a high speed until the mixture quadruples in volume and becomes much paler in colour. So once your liquid mixture reaches 121 degrees and your egg mixture has become lighter and fluffier, turn down the speed on the mixer and just carefully and steadily add in the liquid mixture, and then just mix on a high speed once it's all been incorporated until the bottom of the bowl can be touched with the back of your hand. Once you can achieve that, you'll notice the mixture becomes a lot paler as well. Then just add in your butter a chunk at a time, beaten until it's fully incorporated, and you'll notice how it all of a sudden thickens and becomes like a standard buttercream, which is what you're looking for, of course. Then you can go ahead and add in some vanilla extract or bean paste. I'm using some bean paste on these, but mix it just until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and pipe it on top of your cupcakes. You can pipe as much or as little as you like. I went with a generous amount or just a standard amount for a cupcake, but again, it's completely up to you. And as an optional finishing, I just sprinkle over some more chocolate chips that was used in the sponge and just scatter them on top. And again, you don't have to do this, but it's just an optional finish. And top each cupcake with a chunk of edible cookie dough, and you're done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.